Welcome to another Pematic Purveyors video tour. This is Ryan. Today we're in Trenton having a look at 59 Horse Farm Road. We'll start along the driveway of the home and have a look at its front exterior, the surrounding forest, and its approach from the private Horse Farm Road. That grass you can see right there through the birch trees is the home's 3-bedroom septic system. The long driveway provides excellent buffer from the road, which is private and only frequented by the residents of the neighborhood. That space right there, currently used for parking, is intended to be a garage site, so you've got a great head start if a garage is your desire. Now we'll move to the back of the home and you can have a look at the design. It's a custom-built home, so it has a unique layout. Property sits on 3.72 acres and is primarily dense forest. Excellent privacy, loads of wildlife, a great setting to enjoy Maine. It's built in 2009. That's a sunroom you can see right there. Nice little 3-season porch that comes off of the living room. We've made this website right here where you can find lots more information, or you can give us a call anytime and we're happy to talk with you. Thanks so much for stopping by. We appreciate your interest in 59 Horse Farm Road. We'll see you down in Trenton.